What's really good, fam? It is your boy David, brand new, back with another video for you. I'm gonna tell you guys why you should not buy this bike. It's a freaking scam and I'm tired of it. I'm just playing. This bike is incredible. This bike actually has nothing to do with today's video, guys. I just needed it for a thumbnail. If you guys are interested in getting a Magic Cycle bike, I'll leave a link to it in the description. I think I still have promo codes, so check this bike out, all right? Incredible freaking bike. I know it's kind of clickbaity because Magic Cycle is actually going through like a legal dispute with freaking Hemingway, but we're not going to talk about that in this video. We're here to talk about something else. There's a scam going on in the world, okay? The end of last year, around Christmas time, your boy teamed up with Fran to give away a free electric bike, right? All you guys had to do was leave a like, comment, and be subscribed to my channel. Well, a lot of you guys entered by leaving comments on my video, and I appreciate it. Apparently, there's a guy out there who screenshotted my profile pic, all right? He's using it as his own, but he doesn't have my username. It says like WhatsApp or something stupid, right? Looks super scammy. Well, he went and replied to everybody's comment in that giveaway video saying that they freaking won the bike. So guess what? A ton of people thought that they freaking won the freaking bike. I was hit with a lot of DMs, a lot of messages on Facebook. Thank you so much, Dave. I won the freaking bike. I never won a giveaway in my life. And I had to break it to them that they still didn't freaking win. Thanks a lot, scammer. So I'm here making this video today to let it be known. If you guys get a message or a comment or anything saying that you won a free bike from me, you did it, okay? That giveaway is long gone. I already picked the winner. I think the guy was telling people to message him on WhatsApp and then telling them to go out and buy some gift cards and like just super like, you know, scammy stuff that we shouldn't be falling for in 2022, okay? So I'm letting it be known here, don't fall for no scams, all right? Unfortunately, I was trying to do something out of the kindness of my heart. Fran was trying to do something out of the kindness of their hearts. And this guy ended up ruining it, okay? For future giveaways, I'm just gonna have to do it IRL style, right? I'm just gonna have to go up to somebody in real life and just hand them the bike instead of doing it online, because it's just scammers out there and I don't trust people, man. I'm sorry. So yeah, just wanted to let it be known. And like I said in the beginning of the video, if you guys like this bike, I'll leave the link in the description. You guys can check this one out. It's a beautiful bike, all right? That's the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, if I saved your life, hit that like button, all right? Until the next one, deuces like that.